Hey, this is Steve with Clear New View Window Screen and Gutter Cleaning here in Fort Collins, Colorado. I'm over here on Linden Lake today. I did the outside windows. I did the outside windows today. Can I come back Monday and do the inside, the vacuuming, tracks, screens, interior? Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, big panes came out really nice. I did those first. And then I worked my way around on the upper level to the left. And then got all the way around to the front. And I had to move all the filter and the hoses over here and start on this side. Yeah, it's not too bad. Looks a lot better already. The frames are all nice. All the cobwebs are gone. Doors are clean. Looking pretty snazzy. Gave it a facelift. I think the customer's working in the flower beds. So try not to sneak up on them. Yeah, those are looking like mirrors. That's good. That's good. Very nice. When you look at it on an angle, you can really tell how clean they are. It just kind of has a warbly, liquid mercury kind of look. Okay, if you need window cleaning here in Fort Collins, my number is 816-639-2233. Again, that's 816-639-2233. And we're on Yelp. We've got reviews on Yelp. And our website's clearnewview.com if you'd like to see one of our recent on-the-job, in-progress videos. Thank you for your business.